Hi friends, welcome back. Today let's look the C program to sort an array in increasing order. And here today we are using linear sorting. Let's look the program and the program is here. First the header file hashing load_str.h, then main, and the variable required for this program is integer, so the data type is int, and a of 10 for array, n for the limit of the array I, and j for the iteration in the for loop, and t is the temporary variable. And first we are inputting the limit of the array to the variable n, then we are entering the values or the elements of the array using printf, for loop, and scanf. Okay, and in this in these lines we are printing the entered elements of array which is not which is not sorted. Okay, and this are the codes we are used for sorting. First, for loop I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. In this it's the first loop, and in this it will take a of I, which is equal to a of 0, and it will check the condition whether I is greater than I is less than n. Then if the condition is right, it will go to the for loop, next for loop, where j equal to I plus 1. Here the value of I is equal to 0, then the value of j is equal to 1, which means 0 plus 1 then 1. Then here the value take is a of 1, here a of 0 and here a of 1. And it check the condition. If a of 0, which means a of I, is greater than a of j, which means a of 1. If the condition is right, if it's condition is right, it will go to this lines. The value of a of 0, means a of I, is moved to the temporary variable t, and the value in a of I, which means a of j, is stored to the variable a of 0, which means a of I, and the value in t, the temporary variable, is stored into a of j, which means a of 1. This is the way of sorting. And after this condition, it goes here, and it check the condition with a of 0, everyone, a of 0, then here a of 1 we are, and here is a of 0. Then first the a of 0 check with a of 1, then the a of 0 check with a of 2, a of 3, at last up to a of n minus 1. After finishing this value, which means after the j loop, the for loop in j, the condition false, it increment the I, and at last the sorted array will be stored in a of I, and it will be printed here. This lines indicates the printing. So this the sorted array is then using for loop it is printed. Okay, let's check it with the help of an online compiler. Online C compiler. Let's give the limit as 5 and the values is 100, 10, 30, 1 and 50. Yeah, so this here the results. Let's explain the program with the help of the example. First, the limit is 5, then the value of the n become 5, then we enter the values using this code, and then we print this, that is this. Okay, and here these are the lines for sorting the array. The first for loop, I equal to 0. You check the condition whether I is less than n. Yeah, 0 is less than 5. Then it means a of I means here 100. Okay, this is a of 0. Then it looks for loop j equal to I plus 1, which means 0 plus 1, then 1, and check, yeah, 1 is less than 5. Then a of 1, which means 10, and it goes to the next condition, whether correct or not. If a of 0 is greater than a of j, check, which means he check whether 100 is greater than 10. Yeah, it's right, the test condition is right. Then the value of a of 0, which means 100, is moved to the temporary variable t, and the value of a of j, which means 10, is moved to a of I. Then the value t, which means the value is 100, is moved to a of j, and it's further gone till the condition become false. I hope everyone understand the program. If anyone have any doubt, please comment below the video, or you can visit my website for any reference, and for example you can comment your demands, your questions, your doubts, all below the website too. Is an option for posting your comments. Please subscribe my channel, visit my website www.learnwithaatme.com. please share my website and my YouTube channel. Thanks for supporting me.